Hi everyone, welcome back. We are in the module 12 of the SharePoint series, and the module 12 is content service and the search. So what we are going to talk about is content service. Basically, is nothing but how you manage the metadata of the information in your sites, varied across your organization, or it can be under the sites. So basically metadata is nothing but information about information. So let us say you have a list or library. Again, inside that you can have a lot of columns, and inside that you can also have a lot of properties associated with which you can let's say title or some modified by modified date. So all those columns are nothing but the metadata properties. So metadata can be many kinds of information. It can be a location or date, or there can be a country or a region, or there is so much information you can put as a metadata. And how best you can also manage some of the metadata is through taxonomies. So taxonomy is nothing but a formal classification system provided by the SharePoint. Basically you can group the words, labels and terms that describe something, and then arranges the groups into a hierarchy. So people construct taxonomies for almost any kind of information, from biological systems to organizational structures. So there is another terminology called taxonomy. Is an information classification system that evolves gradually as a website uses to collaborate on words, labels or terms on the site. And also, what is a term set is a group of the related terms. So basically the term sets can be classified into local, which are lies in the context of a set selection, and global terms which are available across the set collections. Let me quickly show you a couple of term store where it is located. When you go to your admin center, under the services, you go to content services, like it will show you like how many term sets are there, how many terms are there, and how many terms and term sets are defined here. Also the individual site collection, if you go to site settings, to search for term store. So here there is an option called term store management management, where all the sites related terms that can be managed from here. So it will take you back to the term store, which is the global level. Basically it will quickly show you what kind of taxonomy is maintained. If you want, you can just click the add term group, and also you can maintain this term store across your site. So the same I have shown here. Moving ahead for the search. So search is one of the core and very important functionality. When users have a lot of documents, they tend to forget where the location is. They use this search feature. So the Microsoft search in the modern sites are like a more modern experience it is having, and also it will give you a personalized experience. It uses the insights of the Microsoft graph to show the results that are relevant to you. And earlier it used to be like a very plain vanilla kind of search results it used to show, but now the search has become more advanced. What is the use and benefits of the search? So basically the search has this easy to search capability, and you can easily find the shares, find the files and share them with your required users. You can also show relevant content based on the metadata information. You can also administer across all the other applications. It can be mobile friendly. It is also easy to explore the results. That means if you are not sure where the documents and files are there, you can just browse through your search page and get the results very quickly. and very friendly user interface is also it offers. Search administration, you can also find the settings and the site settings. You can configure the various schemas. You can manage the dictionaries, and you can also configure the query and query rules, how the crawl engine will work. Those can also be checked. For example, here if I go to any of the site, there is altogether under the site collection administration section, there are so many settings related to search can be configured here. Like search settings is one of the key thing that you can configure where the search URL should be there, and other things. You can also use this search options, like whether you want to search the content or the people or conversations or any other items. And on the left hand side, you can also configure the schemas and query rules and result types that your search is actually returning. For example, if you want to manage the query rules, you can just play around using this new query rule. So for what exact content you want to search, like for example, let's say I want to search based on the keyword, then you can just add that query here, which will filter out the query results. Yeah, so that's all in this video. I think that's all, and this brings the end of presentation on the SharePoint side. If you have any doubts, please feel free to send an email. We will definitely answer all your queries as required. Thank you, and have a good day ahead.